How to transfer files from PC to PC using Wi-Fi on Windows 11, 10 or 7. I want to transfer files from Windows 10 to Windows 11. First, you need to connect the same Wi-Fi, both PC it is Windows 11, this one is Windows 10. Both Windows is connect the same network or the same Wi-Fi. On the Windows search, type control panel, open control panel. On category, select large icon or small icon. Find network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. In the private, click on this drop down. On the network discovery, make sure to turn on, and also on file and printer sharing, select or choose turn on files printer sharing. Click in this drop down all networks. Here is password protect sharing. Select or choose turn off password protect sharing. Click on save changes. Close it. You need to create one folder. I want to write this folder PC1. Right click, find give access to, come here, select specific pupil, select everyone, add, make sure to select read and write, click on share, click on done, copy your file, any file you want to share. I want to copy these files, paste in this folder. Here is 7 items. Okay, right click on share folder, come to properties, share, copy this URL. Now you can send this URL by email or private message. I want to send by email. Open your email address. I want to send this path or this URL. Subject is URL. Send. We successfully sent this URL. Close your browser. Now it is Windows 11 that I want to receive the share files. Open your email address. I want to open my email address. Here we have URL. Copy this URL. Close it. Open run. Right click on start. Open run. Here paste the URL. Click on OK. If you get this error, click on OK. Open this PC. Click in this network. Click in this desktop. Here ask you to enter username and password. Now enter the username and password of this Windows. It is Windows 10. My username was Asil and my password is this one. Then click on OK. Here is user. Click on this users. Asil. Click on desktop. This file was on desktop. Open these files. Look, here we have these 7 items. Now you can copy these files anywhere you want. For example, I need this file for just or this picture. Copy. I want to paste on desktop. Now if you want to use run, you can use run also. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. I want to paste the URL, then click on OK. Look, you directly come in this folder. Guys, if you want to run APK files on Windows 10 or 11, then watch this video. Have a good time.